Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs December 2024 release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. I'm looking forward to making some fun projects to share with all of you. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting December 5th and get a 10% discount using the code prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First we have these large poinsettia leaves. They're so pretty. They're very detailed and it's just really wonderful. You can put it on your bigger projects and it'll look really nice with all these detailing on it. Next up we have this really amazing 3D pie gift box. And this 3D pie gift box has a little cream that you can use as a handle and it's really cute. And this part here, you see here, is for like the pattern on top of the pie. It's like one side is this way and then you can flip it and crisscross the lines here the other way like this. So then I'll have crisscross lines like a pie and it's really cute. And it's a 3D box, so you could put lots of chocolates or any other embellishments inside this box, and it's really cute. And next up we have this banner set 1, and this set here you see is the smaller set, and then at the back there's a bigger set which is the same thing but bigger, and it's really nice. It has these dotted lines which you can put on top of your banner right here, or these smaller ones go here and the longer ones go here, and it's like layering, so it's really interesting. And next up we have this really interesting utensils tab. It has many different utensils, as you can see here. So many, 3, 6, 9 different kinds of utensils, and you put them all on this tab, and it's very useful for mini albums or scrapbooking albums. You can put it on your recipe index cards. It's just like, it's easier to like know where grab the index cards that you want, and you can even label them if you like, and it's really interesting. Just feel like this is like multi-use, and it's really neat. And next up we have this large Victorian frame, and it's super awesome. In the fall release you saw the smaller frame, and now we have this bigger Victorian frame. You can even put your own photo portraits in here, or you could put bigger size embellishments on these frames. And you could also make it into a shaker, because in the back includes the backing of this frame and also the border frame here, so you can make it into a shaker. So it's really pretty, and yeah, it's so awesome. And next up we have this wine bottle label, and it's really pretty. It has this kind of doily kind of style to it, and this goes into the inner side for layering, and these words say thank you, and it's just so pretty. And next up we have this one. It's called Christmas Words 2024. They're like supersized, and I'll read out what they say. This one says, "Oh, what fun," and then mistletoe kisses, and we have here merry and bright. Down here we have ho ho ho, and this one says dear Santa, and in the back there's some more, and the other ones say it says this DEC.25. I really like that part, because I always look for that, and this is, I think it's perfect, that one. And then there's naughty or nice, Santa's helper, holiday magic, Santa baby, and finally candy cane wishes. So there's so many different kinds of phrases here that you can use for your embellishments, and yeah, just embellishing everywhere you could think of. And it's just so pretty with these dotted shadow on the behind the words, which is really nice. And next up we have this bow bag topper number 2, and this is the smaller one, and here we see the bigger one, and it's just so pretty. I love bows, any kind of bows, and it's a bag topper as well, and I love bag toppers as well, so it's a good combo. And here this bow is like a different style. It has this like kind of bow that has this really elegant hanging ribbon slip going down this way, and then it's cut down here like this, so it's a really pretty design, and it's like layered too, as you can see here, so it's so pretty. And here we have some stitching around here, and then here's the hole where you can put the slot with your ribbon in it, so it's pretty. And let's get on to the next one. This next one is called Card Making and Box Making Easy. It's there's another set in the back that looks different from this front set. So this front set, I'm not really quite sure. I'll have to find out later on. But the back one has like these little like tabs, like they're like crisscross like this. And I guess those ones are for making boxes out of it. So yeah, and I guess this part is for card making. I'm not really quite sure, but we'll find out. And now we have this double stitched arch set, and it's super pretty, and it says double stitch, and it's really double stitched here. It's really interesting. I just can't wait to see how this looks, and so many different layerings, you know, like sometimes I'm always like looking for, you know, a certain size and there isn't any, and now it's like here's all the different sizes that you can do for, and you can also layer them and do like shaker parts in here, you know, it's just really useful. And next up we have this Christmas gnome, and this Christmas gnome includes a big snowflake, and it's in the back, hidden in the back here. And there's also a gingerbread, it's about the size, and then there's some candies here, like these round candies, and I guess there's a peppermint kind of style to it, and these ones are like the swirly kind. So I think there's 2 peppermints at the back, and then these 2 swirlies, and let's see what else. There's a book here, a Bible. So I guess you don't have to layer this one if you don't want to use this one. There's another part to the book, and it's just like the pages, I guess. And also the stocking stuffer is really cute. The gnome could hold like these candies, a book, the Bible, and the stocking stuffer here. The gnome can hold this one, and yeah, and there's 2 different styles of like and layering, I guess, of the mustache and the beard here. So there's a layer of a mustache here, so it's in the back here, and it goes over here. And let's see what else. I think that's about it, yeah, for this gnome that I can think about. Yes, and it's really cute because it's like a really big size, and also it has these little feet for the gnome, and probably the hands to hold these things like candy and the stocking and the Bible and or book. And next we have this enjoy word. So I'm thinking this could be going on like anything, but like even on the pie, I'm thinking enjoy like a pie, or you know, there's like this gingerbread house you could put it on. Yeah, there's many things. Or this well, we're gonna get to this one. It's like a gingerbread mug. So yeah, it goes to many different projects that you could think of, and it has the shadow word, and I just love this font so much, and it swirls down here, the scrolling. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. This next one is called Bakery House Gift Box, and I just love this like gingerbread kind of bakery themed box that's going on. Even like the last release we had gingerbread purse gift box, and now we have this gingerbread box, I mean bakery house gift box. And So this one has a bakery sign, and the bakery sign looks really elegant, and it's sort of like as a sign for this bakery, and it has these little gingerbreads here with some hearts and more designs here for the house and the roof of the house. And yeah, the sign is at the back, but it's really pretty. Once you add it on here, it's like it'll look really awesome. Next up, we have the Santa mini album. It's just so cute, the Santa mini album. I guess these are the eyelashes or eyes. And here's some maybe the mistletoes or holly berries, whatever you call them. And it has this mustache and this hat with the pom-pom. It's just like really cute. Santa mini album. And next up we have this double snowflake bow set in a large and a medium. It's so pretty. Look at this pretty snowflakes. And you layer it double. It looks really nice. And let's move on to the next one. We have this gingerbread mug, and the handle is candy cane style, so it has these like stripes going on, and that pattern is at the back, and you just layer it on top. And yeah, and the gingerbread has like, I think the eyes are kind of like has eyelash with on top of the eyes. So that's one distinguishing feature about this gingerbread. Yeah, and just can't wait to show you what it looks like. And next up we have this really cute and adorable baking Mrs. Claus. So yeah, it's just like, look how cute it is. Like, it has her dress and her hair in a bun, and the dress has some kind of doily kind of style to it here, and the glasses are here. It's just gonna look super adorable. And she's baking, so I guess the next one I'll show you, you can probably add it like she's holding onto this baking tray or something. So this one is called baking tray, and look how many gingerbread cookies there are. And the baking tray is so elegant. The little kind of doily, the sides of the baking tray, layering it on top of this base tray. It's so pretty. It's really nice, and I love these handles here. You can like probably add a hoop in here and make them like tags, or this Mrs. Claus holding the tray, hopefully. And finally, we have this Gnome stamp and die set, and it's really cute. The die is shaped like a heart, and so the heart, you stamp these words on top of the heart-shaped die, whatever you stamped with the paper, and these go there, and it's really cute. It says, "You Gnome, I love you. You're my favorite Gnome. Home is where you Gnome is. I love you no matter what. You Gnome so well. Gnome wishes and mistletoe kisses. Trick or treat. Smell my Gnome feet." That one's so funny. "I'm spooky and I gnome it. Will you be my Gnome?" So it's so cute. It's funny too. And yeah, so it looks like it has different seasons, like Halloween and also Christmas and Valentine's. Yeah, so it's just so awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these die sets will be available December 5th, and you can also get a 10% discount using the code prisgemicinc10. All the details and links will be listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again next time. Toodaloo!